Double cup, big Campari, holy nuts. Out of my friends, I want Audis. Smoking on booth in his Maui.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Chad Garin TV. Okay, for today's video is papakita ko sa inyo kung paano mag-hide ng ating subscriber sa YouTube channel natin. Okay, for example guys, andito tayo sa aking YouTube channel na Chad Garin TV. As you can see guys, meron akong subscribers na 4,640 plus. So, as you can see guys, nakikita natin yung ating subscribers sa ngayon. So, ang purpose ng video na to is ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano mag-hide ng ating subscribers. Okay guys, bali kung laptop ang inyong gamit, punta lang tayo sa ating YouTube channel, or kung cellphone naman yung ating gamit, punta lang kayo sa mga browsers nyo and then set nyo lang po sa desktop. And then first guys is click po natin yung ating profile and then punta tayo sa ating YouTube Studio. Okay guys, after that, click po natin yung settings. Okay guys, after clicking the settings, click po natin yung ating channel. And then after clicking the channel, click po natin yung advanced settings. So after nito guys, scroll down lang po natin. And then makikita nyo guys, andito na po siya. Subscriber count. So uncheck po natin yung ating subscriber count and then click save. Okay guys, check natin guys. Tayo sa ating YouTube channel. Okay guys, as you can see, naka-hide na po yung ating subscribers. Okay guys, ganun lang po kadali kung paano mag-hide ng ating subscribers. Okay guys, kung nagustuhan nyo ang video na to, please consider to subscribe to my channel. Okay guys, maraming salamat.